You can't just sit here listening to the sound effects the entire time.
Or then we will get in jail.
That's right. Actually, not really. We wouldn't go to jail.
We would! And then we'll put a fire on us.
Wow. That's dramatic.
And then we would do...
Wow.
There's a dragon landing on the roof.
Why does the dragon always land on our house?
Not on the other parts, Cassis. Like when...
Uh-oh. I think your scream might have woke up Sheppy.
Something's awake again.
Maybe that's the dragon. Sheppy.
No, he's not.
Maybe.
He's a baby.
He's kind of a toddler now. How would you rate the chocolate milk on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, you did not get a chocolate mustache.
No, I didn't. You did, though. Yeah, you got a chocolate mustache, dude.